Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I go out with my friends and we explore one of the beautiful parks of Ames, Iowa. This video just mostly about us trying to take photos at the perfect picture place at the park. So I and my friends have like this really funny moment together where we're trying to get the perfect picture, but one of us keeps getting like cut out of the photo, and we're just trying to get the perfect angle, and it's hilarious because one or two things. There's everyone, that's Carissa, there I am. So we try over and over again. Yeah, but this is the best photo we come up with. The others just end up like cutting out Anna. But it was a fun time we had, and I'm so glad I got this group of people to take me out on this particular beautiful summer day in Ames, Iowa. After the photo fiasco, we just took a walk around the park. I love this bridge. It was really picturesque. Then after the park, we have to go get dinner. So we go over to a place called Pizza Ranch. It's a buffet, and we are first and foremost getting our drinks, and then we're going to explore the buffet setting. Tara wanted a tour. I tried to tell her what they had, because I think it was her first time at Pizza Ranch, but I don't really know what's going on. So I see some pizza, which I don't eat, but there are a whole lot of pizza types. And then Carissa comes to the rescue, and she's showing the different kind of vegetables they had. Yes, Carissa, and they had a lot of vegetable varieties. But this is my favorite section of the buffet. It's the chicken and fries section. So there I am, like taking copious amount of potatoes, and that's our ice cream stand. Yeah, so we pretty much get our food and we go over to have a nice time. Apartment, her beautiful apartment. Oh my gosh, I was really mesmerized by the decoration. This is my kind of apartment. The plants, the details, was so beautiful. I was longing to live in this kind of place. So Carissa is moving out. She's graduating and she had a lot of goodies to give away. We started out. This is Tara, excited about Carissa's beauty product giveaway items, and she got a lot of them and she's really excited about them. I also got there were a lot of goodies. I got mostly essential oils, and Anna got some as well. Yeah.
It's a leave-in hair thing?
Yeah, it's like hair oil.
Oh.
I want anything hair. Do you want this?
Do you have
What's
it?
leaking?
I don't use any.
Something is leaking.
Oh, it's essential oil.
Oh,
that one's leaking?
Sometimes it's like...
Oh, no.
Do you have like a Ziploc?
Yeah.
Where I could put these?
I don't know if you still want this one.
What are you taking?
Yeah, there's still plenty in there.
The Marc Jake, this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Hall.
Huh? You steal it, Anna?
I'm an influencer.
Oh, yeah, that's okay, Anna. I'll give it away for you. It's not mine to give.
Wait, is she giving away all of these?
Yeah.
Do you want the essential oil?
Okay, we are trading it. Who takes it first?
I just have like plastic. Is that okay?
Can I have this?
Yeah. That is for you. Hey guys, this is Bright Boost resurfacing micro polish brightening complex Neutrogena. Anybody want this?
Dead skin cells in your face.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, you guys don't want it? I am taking it.
Face.
No, take it.
Yeah.
I already took 4.
There you go.
Oh my god, that
for the beauty shop.
Still like wet.
No, it's fine. I
That
like
one's
this
up.
now.
I think it's.
Oh, skin nourishing milk.
Yeah, this is sunscreen. Whoever wants this sunscreen.
So how do you use the
I could take
essential
two.
oils?
Sometimes you
You
put
have to
it...
put it in an essential oil diffuser. So you have to buy one, and then you put like
Or
10 drops with water, and then you turn on the diffuser and
or
it sprays
or
it.
people just put it on the pillows or like something.
Yeah.
I can just put it on like.
Yeah, you can put anything.
Yeah, like you put it on so it smells good.
Yeah, so like we shower by adding few drops of essential oil so that it is so soothing and yeah.
How about...
Well, you
I
guys
don't
are
want
getting
it.
all of
Okay,
it.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
The one that was
Shopping!
Shopping!
Close that.
The one that was leaking.
Oh yeah, I put it already.
Are you sure? Like she got so many essential oils. You don't want
Yeah,
any of them?
There's the rest of the essential oils if you guys want it.
I took
Wow,
a lot of
that's
them. Do you want to give me everything?
Yeah, you could
don't
take
mind.
this too.
I don't
Why don't you
mind.
put this in the fridge?
Yeah, this one's for headache.
Yeah, I'm just taking
Oh,
this.
lavender is good for sleep, right? I think.
Yeah, lavender
Yeah.
is good for sleep.
put
Lavender
this in
and chamomile.
That's for headache.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's for
So these all I got. Yay.
Thank you guys for taking it all. That's so nice.